Welcome student. Today I have to teach matrix polynomial as well as matrix positive integral power of a matrix. After that some of the questions related to multiplication we will do. Now the first topic is matrix. In matrix we have to go through positive integral power of a square matrix. So for this, let A is any square matrix of order n. Then A square equal to A into A to the power 3 equal to A into A. If you have to find A to the power n equal to A into A n times. This is the positive integral power of a matrix. After this, matrix based on this one question we will do. The question is, or you can say, if A you can take 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. Okay, prove that A square minus 5A minus 14I equal to null matrix. This is not zero, this is a null matrix. So first of all, what the element we require? Just you find A square. A square means A into A. 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. So now you find 9 plus 20, 29. This is minus 15 plus minus 10, minus 25, 12 or 8, minus 20, 20 and then 4, 24. This is the value of A square. After that, minus 5A. Minus 5A you can find by multiplying minus 5 to A matrix. A is 3, minus 5 minus 4 or 2. Then it is equal to minus 15 plus 25, 20 minus 10. So this is the value of minus 5A. So take LHS. A square minus 5A minus 14I. A square how much? 29 minus 25 minus 20, 24 plus minus 5A. 5A means minus 15, 25, 20 minus 10 plus minus 14I. Minus 14, 0, 0 minus 14. So if you add, then it is 0, 29, 25 and 15 and 14. Minus 29 plus 29, 0. Minus 25 plus 25, 0, 0 and 0. So this is null matrix, RHS. So this is the question based on matrix positive integral power of a matrix. After this, matrix polynomial is what? Matrix polynomial So for this, let f of x is equal to, what it is, f of x equal to a x to the power m, a1 x to the power m minus 1, a2 x to the power m minus 2, am is a polynomial of degree m, and let a is any square matrix of order n, and I is the identity matrix of order n. Then f of a, this is your matrix polynomial. So this is a polynomial of degree m, where m is non-negative integer, and this is a0, a1, a2, am. These are what? Real numbers, where a0 is not 0. So this is the polynomial you already learned in class 9, and having degree m, but a is any square matrix of order n, and I is the identity matrix. Then f of a, so in place of x I written a, so all x replaced by a. This is a naught, a to the power m, a1 a to the power m minus 1, a2 a to the power m minus 2, up to am, and here we multiplied by identity matrix, because this is number, this is matrix, this is number, this is matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix is a matrix, matrix, matrix. But if I not write in, then it is a simple number. So number and this is matrix. So when we multiply, then it whole thing become a matrix. Now after finding the value of f of a, this is called matrix polynomial. So based on this one question, we can see if f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 7, and a is also given. A is a matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, and find f of a you have to find. Okay, so f of a, so in place of fx we write f of a, so xa, so all x replaced by a. After that, this question become, here it is I2, because when we have to multiply with identity matrix, that identity matrix is based on the matrix A. Whatever the order of A, that should same order taken by this 7 constant quantity. Now A square you have to find. So A is how much? A square. A square means 3 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 minus 1 2. So this is 9, and this is minus 1. 9 minus 1 8. This is 3, this is 2. 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 4. 3 minus 1 plus 4 3. So a square, this is 8 5 minus 5 3 plus 5a. 5a means this is 15 minus 15 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 plus 7 I2. This is 1 0 0 1. This equal to 8 5. You can add it, then it is minus 7 0, this is minus 10, this is 7, minus 7, minus 7, plus 7, 0, 0, 7. So here 1, 0, this is minus 5, minus 5a. So this is plus 5, I think, because when we multiply it by minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, plus 5 and minus 10. So that's why it is 0. And now when we add, then it is 1, 0. This is 0, 0, and whole thing becomes 0. So null matrix is the answer. So this is the value of f of a. Clear? So this is the question based on matrix polynomial. Sometime here it is AQ. So we have to find a into a into a. Then it is AQ. Now some more question based on multiplication. This also important. Solve 1x1. This is 1, 3, 2. This is 2, 5, 1, 15, 3, 2. 1, 2x is equal to null matrix. So how we find? Now this is 1 by 3, this is 3 by 3, this is 3 by 2, sorry 3 by 1. So either you can multiply these two first, these two or these two. So what you want, you just multiply if it exists, then only. So we can take from here only. So this is 3, 1 by 3, 3 by 3. So 3, 3 cancel, 1 by 3 will come. 1 row, 3 column. This is 1. This is 2x. This is 15. Next 3 plus 5x plus 3. This is 3. This is 5x plus 3. Next 2 plus x plus 2. 1, 2x. This is the null matrix. So this is 2x plus 16. This is 5x plus 6, x plus 4. Now multiply with 1, 2x. This is null matrix. So now you multiply. This is 1 by 3, 3 by 1. So 1 by 1 will come. This is 2x plus 16 plus 10x plus 12 plus x square plus 4x. This equal to null matrix. So this implies x square 12 plus 4, 16, 16x. This is 2, 10, 12 and 4, 16, and this is 28 equal to O. O is a what? Null matrix. Here the order is 1 by 1. So and both are equal. So whatever the order of this matrix, 1 by 1. So the null matrix also contain 1 by 1 order because both are equal. So we can write this as x square plus 16x plus 28 is equal to, this is your null matrix containing 0, single element. Now both are equal, so elements should be equal. So if we take the factorization, x minus 14, x minus 2 equal to 0. 14 to 28 plus 28 minus 14 minus 2. This is what? Minus. So x plus, now it is plus 16x. So either x plus 14 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So this become x equal to minus 14 or x equal to minus 2. This is the answer. So this is the question based on multiplication. If you don't know the multiplication, then you have a problem. So if multiplication is clear, then these are questions are very easy. So one more question based on multiplication. This is also very important. If a is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, then prove that I plus A equal to I minus A cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha. Before solving this question, you have to use some trigonometric formula. The formula is what? So formula of sin alpha in terms of tan, we can write this as 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Why? Because here the given matrix in term of tan. So if we take this tan alpha as t, then it is 2t. Clear? So when we take in place of tan alpha t, then sin alpha is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Understand? Now one more value, cos alpha in terms of tan. What we write? In terms of tan, we can write this as 1 minus tan square alpha by 2, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, 1 minus t square, because tan alpha I taken as t. So 1 minus t square, 1 plus t square. Now take your LHS. LHS of the question is what? I plus A. Okay. So what is the value of I? 1001 plus A is what? 0 minus tan alpha by 2. Put tan alpha by 2 equal to t. So next step you can write tan alpha by 2, 0. So when we write this as 1001 plus 0 minus 1 minus t or 0. So when we add, this become 1 minus t and 1. This is your left hand side. Now take RHS. What is RHS? RHS I minus A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So I minus A. So I minus A means what? 1 minus 0, because here in plus of sign minus we will put. So 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus t plus t, 0 minus t, 1 minus 0, 1, and cos alpha we can write this as cos alpha 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square. So here we write 2t by 1 plus t square, and this is cos 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is the value of cos and sin. I written here what we write in place of sin or cos. Okay, next step, this equal to 1t minus t 1. This is the value of I minus a, and after that you can write 1 minus t square minus 2t 1 minus t square and into 1 by 1 plus t square. I taken common to each term, 1 plus tan s square 1 plus t square from each of this matrix. From each element you see 1 by something by 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. When we remove when we take the common, that common part, so 1 minus t square minus 2t and 1 minus t square will left. Now multiply, here again multiplication, so row multiplied with column, so 1 minus t square and this is 2t square, this is what 1 minus 2t plus t minus t cube, this is minus t minus plus t cube plus 2t multiplied by this, then do 2t square plus 1 minus t square into 1 by 1 plus t square. So next step, this is t square plus 1, this is t cube plus t, this is minus t cube minus t, this is minus t square plus t square plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus t square. So here t square plus 1, if you take common t, then it is t square plus 1 minus t, then it is t square plus 1 t square plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus t square. Now you multiply or you can take common, then this is 1, this is minus t, this is t and this is 1, and here it is t square plus 1 by t square plus 1, cancel. So this is 1 minus t plus 1. So left hand side, this is left side and this is right side, both are equal. So here LHS equal to RHS. So anywhere you just see, nothing is new. If you know the formula of sine and cos in terms of tan, after that only multiplication is there. So in matrices multiplication is very important. So just revise and solve some more questions, do practice. Okay, so okay, after this we will do some more questions, some new topic, that is the transpose of a matrix. In next lecture we will do that one only. Okay, thank you.